In this video, I will show you how you can use voice typing on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now on this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Voice Input. From here, instead of None, either select Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Input. I'll select this one. Now after that, just go back. Now under the General Management settings, just tap on Keyboard. From here, just ensure that the toggle for voice input is enabled. Now after you turn on this toggle, now from here, just go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your Samsung phone. Now if you tap on this microphone icon over here, you will be able to start typing using your voice. As you can see, currently we are facing this error. Now to solve this issue, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just go back to the General Management and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. From here, just tap on Voice Input. Now if you have selected Google Voice Typing, just select Samsung Voice Input. But in our case, since we have selected Samsung Voice Input, I will select Google Voice Typing. Now after you change the service provider for the voice input, now just go back to the keyboard and tap on the microphone icon. And now you will be able to start typing using your voice, just like that. Now let's say if you cannot find the microphone icon over here. Now let's say if you see this keyboard icon instead of the microphone icon. So just tap and hold on this icon and select voice input. And after you do that, the microphone icon will appear back again. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.